Hello children, good morning. Let's start up the EVS class. So, which lesson we were learning in the previous class? Yes, it's part of a plant. In the previous class we have learned about root, stem and its function. And very important part which is also called as kitchen of the plant or food factory of plant. So what is it children? Yes, it's leaf. In the last class, we discussed about fun activity, right? To learn about what? Yes, the presence of substance called as chlorophyll. So what does it do? Chlorophyll gives green color to leaves and also helps plants to prepare its food. So what does it need to prepare food? Yes, it's water, sunlight and the air called as carbon dioxide. Children, in the previous class you have learnt that human beings breathe in oxygen gas and breathe out carbon dioxide, whereas plants breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen gas. But how about during the night time? Will they prepare food? No. Why? Because there is no sunlight. During night time, they breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide as human beings. So now let's revise about the parts of a leaf. What is this part called as children? It is called as leaf blade. And what are those tiny holes present on the leaf blade? These are called as stomata. So what is the function of stomata? They helps to take in air, which gas carbon dioxide, and also give out excess water from the plants. So the next part of the leaf is, what is this part called as? It is called as main vein. And these parts are called as side veins. It is through these veins water is carried to the leaf from the stem. So now what are the parts of the leaf? The parts of the leaf are leaf blade, which has small tiny holes called as stomata, main vein and side vein. The next most beautiful part of the plants are flowers. Isn't it children? Flowers are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Most flowers give out a sweet smell like rose, jasmine, lavender. Fruits like apple, pomegranate, mango, guava grow from flowers. In this video, you can see how the flowers changes into a fruit. First, the flower petals falls off. Then it changes into a fruit. So which fruit is growing children? Here it's strawberry. Yes, strawberry also grows from flower. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits like mango, lychee have single seed. Fruits like apple, chiku, sweet lemon has few seeds. And fruits like watermelon, pomegranate, kiwi, muskmelon have many seeds. Some fruits have big seed and some have small seeds. Inside the seed is a baby plant and food for the baby plant. The seed grows into a new plant when it gets right amount of water, air and sunlight. The growth of a seed into a new plant is called germination. So you can see the plant growing from a seed, and this process is called as germination. Children, now let's discuss some interesting facts about the plants. So which plant is it, children? It's Venus flytrap. Its food are the insects like housefly, spider, etc. Mushroom. Mushrooms cannot prepare their own food. Why? Because plants without green leaves cannot prepare their own food. They depend on the nature for their food. So children, in this lesson you have learned the parts of a plant like root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds and their functions. So in the next class, let's do the reading activity. Thank you children. Bye. Take care.